Just open up this little flap here on the inside, and then you've got these two red buttons. Pinch these inwards and pull outwards to release the brew group.
All right, so to clean the brew group, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is rinse it off under running water, just like that. And I would suggest manipulating here the plunger, just like so. Then you can get inside there a little bit. Don't use any solvents here. Now, what we're gonna do next is drop it into some water and let it soak here for 5 minutes. After it's soaked for 5 minutes, you can remove it, rinse it off again. I would suggest drying it off nicely. And now, when you manipulate the plunger here, if you get any squeaking on the gears, I would recommend to use some of this food safe grease that I got right here and apply that to these gears here. And then on the other side there is the shaft you can apply it to. Then work it in just a little bit, just like that. And good to go.
Then you can take this brew group, stick it back into the machine until you hear it click. Close the flap, put the water tank back in, and you're good to go.